Lovely Library, and today we are going to be making crockpot s'mores cake. I'm very excited about this one. I was thinking about summer, and s'mores is one of the ultimate summer treats, and this is a different way to get all those good s'mores flavors in the summer. And you don't even have to turn on the oven and heat up your whole house. So, first step, you take 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I've sprayed the crock pot with cooking spray to make sure nothing sticks. We put in 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, a half cup of sugar, and then a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And mix that all up. Next, you take a box of chocolate cake mix, any kind will do, and you prepare it according to the directions on the back. This mix asks for 1 cup of water, a half cup of oil, and 3 eggs. I always like to crack eggs into a separate container first, just in case you get shell in there or there's something wrong. Don't have to worry about ruining the whole mix. So that's 1. Two. And 3. Now mix this one up. Once the cake mix is all mixed together, you can put in 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, or graham cracker chunks, and a half a cup of mini chocolate chips. Now we take the cake mix with our graham crackers and chocolate chips and pour it over the top of the graham cracker crumb crust on the bottom. We want to make sure we get all the cake mix out. We don't want to waste any. After the cake mix is all spread across the bottom, we top it with even more chocolate chips, and some big chunks of chocolate. So you just break up the chocolate bar into pieces. I know, this is a lot of chocolate. I'm very excited to try this. Now we put the lid on and we set it on high for 2 hours. Okay, it's actually been a little closer to 3 hours because the recipe said 2, but just didn't look done to me. So I checked it again, it looks done. Now the next step is marshmallows. It's not a s'more without marshmallows. Okay. Put about 2 cups on top. Spread it out evenly. And then, I know, even more chocolate. So now we put the lid back on and we check on it in another half hour. That looks so good. Okay, now let's see what we have. Oh my goodness. Look at all that marshmallowy, chocolatey, graham crackery goodness. Can't wait to try this.
Comment below if you've made any of Miss Joanne's wonderful recipes. Thanks for watching. Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.